Welcome back to Lady Cece's World, a place where we have honest conversations about identity, healing, faith, resilience, and becoming who God created us to be. I am Lady Cece, and today we're continuing our journey of healing and emotional restoration. Today's conversation is called Breaking Emotional Silence. There are moments in life when silence feels safer. We learn to hide our pain. We learn to smile when we're hurting. I've done that often, you all. We learn to say, this is one of my favorites, I'm fine, when deep inside we are exhausted. Is that you? We learn to carry things we were never meant to carry simply because somewhere along the way, we decided that our emotions were too much. Our stories were way too complicated, or our voices really didn't matter at all. But beautiful souls, silence can protect you for a season, but staying silent forever can prevent you from healing. And it's important to me that you get your healing. There comes a moment when your soul begins to whisper, it's time to speak. It's time to heal. It's time to tell the truth. And that is what we are exploring today. Now, I know what it feels like to experience seasons where your voice feels hidden. There are times when life teaches us to become quiet. Sometimes we become quiet because we don't want to burden anyone. Sometimes we become quiet because we are afraid of being misunderstood. Sometimes we become quiet because we have experienced rejection, disappointment, betrayal, and pain. Is that you? I know it's been me. And sometimes we become quiet because we have spent so much time taking care of everyone else that we forget to check in with ourselves. Sit with that for a second, because I can tell you hands down, beautiful souls, this was me for a long time until things shifted in my life. Right? Because, again, taking care of everyone else, you forgot to check in with you. But one of the most powerful things I have learned on my own journey is this. Are you listening? Your silence does not erase your story. I'm going to say that again. Your silence does not erase your story. You see, the things you have experienced, they still matter. The emotions you have buried still exist. The tears you have held back still have a purpose. Your heart remembers what your mouth has never spoken. Y'all hear me on this? Your heart remembers what your mouth has never spoken. You see, many of us have learned how to survive. I'm good at that. But healing requires us to learn how to express. I'm better at that. You see, survival says, keep going, keep going, keep going. Healing says, tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Now, throughout Scripture, we see God inviting people to bring their whole selves to Him. Not just the polished parts, not just the parts that look strong. Notice I said look strong. not just the parts that feel acceptable. God welcomes the honest heart. In Psalm 34:18, we are reminded, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Notice that God does not say he is only close to those who have everything together. He draws near to the brokenhearted. He draws near to the hurting. He draws near to those who are carrying things they cannot explain. See, you got to know that your emotions don't scare God. Your tears do not overwhelm him. Your questions do not push him away. Sometimes we have been taught that faith means pretending everything is okay. But let me tell you, authentic faith allows us to say, God, I am hurting. God, I am confused. God, I need healing. God, I need you to meet me here. I know I've said it, have you? So you have to know that breaking emotional silence, let me ask you, what does it look like? Now, it could look like never expressing when something hurts you, or avoiding difficult conversations, pretending disappointment does not affect you, minimizing your own experiences, always being the strong one. That's been me, the strong one. What about you? It could look like feeling guilty for having needs, or holding on to emotions because you don't know what to do with them. I know a lot of people that hold on to emotions because they don't know where to put them. You see, emotional silence often begins as protection. For me, it did. Maybe at one point, speaking up caused conflict. Just maybe vulnerability was not respected. Maybe your feelings were dismissed. Maybe you learned that being quiet kept the peace. That was me. But I'm here to tell you, beautiful souls, there is a difference between peace and avoidance. You see, peace is when your heart is settled. Avoidance is when your heart is silenced. Let me give y'all that one again. Peace is when your heart is settled. Avoidance is when your heart is silenced. You were created with a voice. Your emotions are messengers. They reveal what needs attention, and they reveal where healing is needed. So I have a practical application for you. 3 ways to begin breaking emotional silence. Number 1, name what you feel. Many people struggle with emotional healing because they have never learned how to identify their emotions. So instead of saying, like I used to say, I'm fine, try asking, what am I actually feeling? Am I hurt, disappointed, angry, lonely, afraid, grieving, overwhelmed, or tired? You cannot heal what you refuse to acknowledge. Naming your emotions is not weakness. It is awareness, and you must walk in awareness. Number 2, create you a safe place for your truth. Because your story deserves a safe place. That may be prayer, journaling, a trusted friend, counseling, a support group, a quiet moment with God. You do not have to tell everyone everything, and I don't suggest you do. Healing does not require public exposure. Healing requires honest reflection. You have to know, beautiful souls, that your story is sacred. Number 3, give yourself permission to use your voice. Your voice matters. Your experiences matter. Your feelings matter. Now, you are allowed to say, that hurt me. I need support. I need time. I have changed. I cannot continue carrying this. Breaking emotional silence does not mean becoming angry. It means becoming authentic. I want you to take a moment today and ask yourself, what have I been afraid to say? Yeah. What emotion have you been avoiding? What conversation have you been postponing? What part of yourself have you been silencing? And I want you to bring the answer before God, not with shame, not with judgment, but with compassion. Because healing begins when we stop running from ourselves. I have some questions I want you to reflect on. You can journal them. Number 1, what emotions have I been suppressing? Think about that. Number 2, why have I been afraid to express how I truly feel? That one. Number 3, what do I need to create a safer space for my voice? Number 4, what truth do I need to acknowledge before God? And number 5, what would healing look like if I allowed myself to be honest? Yeah, that one. We gotta have some honesty going on. Beautiful souls, I want you to remember this. Your voice is part of your identity. Your emotions are part of your humanity. Your story is part of your journey. You do not have to apologize for having feelings. You do not have to shrink yourself to make others comfortable. I used to do that too. You do not have to carry silence that was never meant to be your permanent home. Rest with that one. You see, God created you with a voice. God created you with purpose. God created you with the ability to heal, grow, and become whole. So today, give yourself permission to speak. Give yourself permission to feel. Give yourself permission to begin again. This is your season of restoration. This is your season of truth. This is your season of coming home to yourself. Get that. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Lady CC's World. Until next time, remember, you are valuable. You are worthy. You are seen. You are loved. And you were created intentionally by God. I love you, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it but love me back.